Alright, so here is part 2 of the same video. In this video, we will be seeing how to install plugin and design website. In previous video, we set up under construction and let's install plugin here. So we can install Elementor from here, but you have to create account and connect it. We have already account, so let's install from offline. Let me select the file and activate. First we will install and here we will activate. So we have installed Elementor and now let's go to pages. Here we will create new page. Let's give any name, publish it. Once we publish, then we can choose any template, but we will not choose. For you, I can show you any template, but let's remove this and go to Elementor. Edit with Elementor, and here we are. Close this and let's create file. Oh, okay, here we are. So here you can see that we have one box where we can create with plus sign, then we can choose folder and other thing. Let's create with plus icon. We can create grid or anything. If we choose template, then here we have option to select our save template or any pages or anything. But those are paid and everything. And here I'm going to show you to create from scratch. So I choose any grid. There you will get chance to select your grid. So I have chose for three, one for header, second for logo, and third for button or something. Right. So here we are. Now you can set up with this and let's change the image. Before that, let's make it as a nav. So this is header. I'm showing you this, but it will change with nav bar, right? And change the image. Okay, so we have taken one image and it looks something like this. And here is button. So you can see that it looking pretty much okay, right? It should go at top and it will show like that. I just wanted to show you that how can you design from scratch once you create Elementor. From here you can increase height and width. So I increase a little bit and here how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Let me know your thoughts.